Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Sandra Same, can you be my girl? Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love to be your man. Guzebe pagade. Can you be my girl? Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love to be your man. Guzebe pagade. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. Bengikubona suku sonke udlula phambi kwekhaya. Ngayithanda indlela obusiphethe ngayo. Ngasondela ngazazisa ngathi kube labi. Ngiyakuthanda phela, ngifuna ube ngumuntu wami. Lwazoqala lapho uthando lwami nawe lwavutha lave. So can you be my girl? Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love to be your man. Guzebe pagade. Can you be my girl? Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I love to be your man. I love to be your man. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. You make my mind go, yeah. You make my mind go, ah, yeah, yeah. I love it, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh baby, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh love it, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. You make my mind go. Hello everybody, Salbonani. I go by the name of MJ Sings, and you guys are tuned into the Pillow Sessions, and the song that we just performed right now is called Parate. Yeah, and the next song that we're going to do right now is called Taliwami. Hope you guys enjoy. Sangil fumeno tanto talagi gufona lafi wami gufona lafi wami Sangil fumeno tanto talagi gufona lafi wami gufona lafi wami I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me Ngizulile umhlaba mfuna wena wedokpe Ngizulile izizwe mfuna uthando lwangempela Kwadlula imihla neminyaka ukuze ngikuthole love And now that I've fallen in love I wanna be with you phela Sithandwa sami sithandwa senhliziyo Akubo bonke ngikhethe wena phela Sengilifumana uthando Dala ndigufuna lafi wami Gufuna lafi wami I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you me I'll tell you I'm love you you want me. I'll tell you I'm love you I'll tell you I'm sweet you want me. How sweet you love how sweet you love and how sweet you love how dear mama babe. How sweet you love how sweet you love how sweet you love oh mama. Yeah, you guys are tuned in to the Pillow Session. So that was Daliwami, and this song is taken out from the Soul and Mind EP. It's quite funny how we started the song. So yeah, the next song that we're gonna do right now, the last song actually, is one of my favorite songs. It's called Nizobuya. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Sandwa ngizobuya, darling ngizobuya, angeke ngikulahle, angeke ngikukhohlwe, I love ngizobuya, sandwa ngizobuya, angeke ngikulahle, angeke ngikukhohlwe, wathi love ikhawuleza uze kimi, wathi sithandwa khawuleza uze kimi, wathi love ikhawuleza uze kimi, wathi sithandwa khawuleza baby uze kimi, ngiyazi isikhathi sesambile love, ngiyazi isuku sezedlule, ngoba kulula ukuphila ngingekho ngiyazi, akulula ukuphila noma wami. Awutshela ingane zethu ngiyeza baby, ngiyabuya ekhaya. Tshela ingane zethu ngiyeza ngisendleleni, awungicela ulindele baby, awungicela ungilindele love, ngiyathembisa ngizobuya, I love ngizobuya, dear baby ngizobuya, 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 get in love ngizobuya, baby ngizobuya, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh, 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 yeah, yeah, how sandwa sound. Thank you all so much. This was Pillow Session brought to you by Kiss and Gorilla.